Do you want to know how you can add QuillBot to your Chrome? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add QuillBot on your Chrome extension. So what you need to do is go to Web Store, which is over here, or you can go to Web Store or Extensions by clicking on Manage Extensions. Now search for QuillBot. You can see QuillBot appears over here. Click on the first link and you can see Add to Chrome. Go ahead and tap on it. Then click Add Extension, and in a while QuillBot extension will be downloaded on your Chrome browser. It will automatically open up and you can see the QuillBot option over here. Click on QuillBot sidebar and you can see the QuillBot has been added to your Chrome extension. So you can pin it if you want. You can see there are a lot of features available. Then you can use it. So guys, this is how you add QuillBot to your Chrome extension. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.